Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my video on Laplace Transform. Point: solution of differential equation by Laplace Transform technique. Solve the problem. Solve by Laplace Transform. Given differential equation is 3 dy by dt plus 2y is equal to e raised to 3t. Initial condition is y at 0 is equals to 1. Here y is a dependent variable, t is independent variable. Therefore, we have to obtain the solution of this differential equation by Laplace transform technique. Given differential equation is 3 dy by dt plus 2y is equals to e raised to 3t. We call this as equation 1. Then first step is taking Laplace transform. On both sides, and therefore 3 is constant term we take outside. A Laplace transform of first order derivative dy by dt, 2 constant, Laplace of y, and is equals to Laplace transform of e raised to 3t. It is 3 as it is. Laplace transform of first order derivative is s y bar of s minus y of 0 2 constant. Laplace of y is y bar of s, and that is equals to Laplace transform of e raised to 3t, standard result s minus 1 upon s minus 3. Then there are 2 terms of y bar of s, 1 and second. Therefore, collecting that y bar of s in one bracket, we get 3s plus 2 into y bar of s is equal to 1 upon s minus 3 as it is. Substituting value of y of 0 is 1. Therefore, 1 into this 3, it becomes minus 3. Transferring it to right hand side, we get plus 3. Then dividing by this term 3s plus 2, we get 1 upon 3 times, taking 3 common from this, we get s plus 2 by 3 into s minus 3 plus 3 divided by 3 times s plus 2 by 3. And then taking inverse Laplace on both sides, we get, therefore, inverse of y bar of s 1 by 3 inverse Laplace of 1 upon s plus 2 by 3 and into s minus 3. 3 get cancelled. We get inverse Laplace of 1 upon s plus 2 by 3. We call this equation 2. We try to obtain the inverse of the first term by convolution, as there is a product of 2 terms of s. We know that inverse Laplace of first term 1 upon s plus 2 by 3 as e raised to minus 2 by 3 times t. We call this as f of t, say, and inverse of the second term 1 upon s minus 3 as e raised to 3t. We call this as g of t. Then by convolution theorem, inverse Laplace of that product 1 upon s plus 2 by 3 into 1 upon s minus 3 is equal to integration from 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u, and its integration with respect to u. In f of t, replace t by u, and in g of t, replace t by t minus u. We get integration from 0 to t, f of u becomes e raised to minus 2 by 3 times u and this g of t becomes e raised to 3 times t replaced by t minus u, and then its integration with respect to u. As we are performing integration with respect to u, e raised to 3t become a constant term. We take it outside the integration sign. Therefore, e raised to 3t outside, integration from 0 to t, e raised to minus 2 by 3u into e raised to minus 3u du. E raised to 3t, integral from 0 to t. We combine these two terms as basis same. Therefore, it is e raised to minus 2 by 3 minus 3 times u and its integration with respect to u. E raised to 3t, integration from 0 to t, e raised to, finding the LCM, 3 is 9, minus 10, minus 2, we get minus 11 by 3 times u and its integration with respect to u. Integrating this term with respect to u, its integration is e raised to minus 11 by 3 times u and divided by minus 11 by 3, limit from 0 to t, outer term as it is, e raised to 3t. We take minus 11 by 3 outside the bracket. Therefore, it becomes minus 3 by 11 e raised to 3t. Substituting the upper and lower limit, for upper limit it becomes e raised to minus 11 by 3 times t minus e raised to 0, e raised to 0 is 1. Equation number 3. Substituting this value in equation 2, therefore, inverse of y bar of s we get as y of t is equals to outer term 1 by 3 as it is into inverse of the first term. That inverse of the first term is minus 3 by 11 e raised to 3t multiplied by e raised to minus 11 by 3 times t minus 1. This is the inverse of first term. And inverse of second term. Therefore, inverse of 1 upon s plus 2 by 3 is, we can simplify it further. 3 get cancelled and multiplying it inside, we get minus 1 by 11 e raised to 3 minus 11 by 3 times t, adding the power, and minus 1 into this, it is e raised to 3t. and plus e raised to minus 2 by 3 times t. 9 minus 11 we get minus 2 by 3. One more step. Therefore, y of t is equals to minus 1 by 11. This is 9 minus 11 minus e raised to minus 2 by 3 times t minus e raised to 3t and plus e raised to minus 2 by 3 times t as a required answer or required solution. Here the second part is completed. Please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification for such type of new videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.